Hi, and welcome to the Edtech news brought to you by Joylin Matthias from the Tech Savvy Teacher. This is a series that I do on my Instagram to get you the useful Edtech news every week. This week's Edtech news features Mote. Mote is a Chrome extension which allows you to add voice notes like suggestions, feedbacks, or even instructions in documents and assignments, and also in email. To download Mote extension, you just have to go to Chrome Web Store and click over here and write Mote. Now you will get this extension here. Now this is already added. If not, you will get an option to install it. Now once you click on it, you will get the option to install it here, install it, and then you can find it over here in this menu. If you don't find it, click on this puzzle icon and then you can find it here and then just pin it. Okay, if you this is unpinned and this is pinned, so you can find it over there. Mote is doing a wonderful job by helping teachers like us work efficiently and also save some time. Now you can go to your Google slide, and over here if you want to insert it, you will get this option. Just click on this and you will get this welcome through Mote, and then just click on next, and then it will check for your microphone and you need to give permission to it. And then okay, once you've given the permission for it, now you can click over this and then just click on this icon to get started. Write down the first letter of the name of the images shown below. Click on that again to stop recording, and now your audio is ready. Just click on play if you want to use it, or if you don't want it, you can directly delete it. Now click on this. Write down the first letter of the name of the images shown below. That's enough. I'll click on insert. Now this is in my drive. I'll select it and then insert it into my Google Slides. Now here you will get some options: audio playback on clip, or automatically when the students open the slide it will play automatically, or you can allow this on click so that when the students click on it, it will be played. Now you have loop audio and stop on slide change. Now when you're presenting it, students can click on this and play button. Write down the first letter of the name of the images shown below. Now the students will understand that they have to write down the first letter of the name. Now you can read whatever is there on the screen as well. So just click on it and then just move it around and then start. Say what you will or say what you may. Now you can do something like this: play me to listen, and when you are presenting, the children will actually see this and then play it. Why I love Mote so much? Because apart from feedback and instructions, you can actually ask your students to record their answers and submit in the Google Forms. So then the best part is you're going to get all of that in your Google Drive with their name. Now this is what I like about Mote in Google Forms. You can just click on this and record the question which is going to come over here. Let me show you guys. Choose the correct option. Now it's come over here. Now if you want to preview and see how it's going to look for your children, it's going to look like this. So if they play here, choose the correct option. So they can read what is the question about. So it makes things very easier for children. Now, as I told you, even students can record their voice and send it to you, but they have to have this extension installed into their Chrome browser. Now, once they have it installed, they will get the option to answer like that. This is a short answer question, and here either they can type or click on here to record. Let me record something. 8. Now after this, the student will submit it. Now let's see how it is going to be shown to you. Now when you go to your responses of your Google form, you can see that the answers the children have given. But if you see the last question where the student have given the audio, submitted the audio, you can just click over it and play.
8.
So over here in the responses itself, you can listen to their answers and you can give the marks. That's it for this week's Edtech news. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.